Friends, what I have pursued from the picture that there are two men standing. My hero of the story is Raju, who is of age 28 years old. He was a software engineer. He noticed from that there are so many unemployed people in the society. So he went for a bank loan to keep a business. Then with the money he built a hotel, and the hotel was successfully running. One day the cylinder was leaked and a fire accident was happened. He rescued the people and he called the fire engine. Thank you.
Friends, from the image I pursued a boy named Bharat, 18-year-old, and mood is positive. Bharat is a young, energetic boy, graduated from a reputed institute, receives a message from his friend Revan, that he is going from another town, that he is going to come to his town to write an exam and stay for 3 days. So to plan to visit the nearby places. And Sunday morning, he goes to the railway station to pick his friend Revan and feeds the Sunday crowd. After picking his friend Revan, Bharat takes him to his house and introduces him to his parents. After writing the exam, they both visit the nearby places and enjoy. After that, he drops Revan in the railway station and they greet each other. Thank you.
Friends, from the picture I perceived a young man who is standing on a railway platform with a neutral mood. Ravi has just finished his graduation from a reputed college. He is going back to his hometown for a small vacation. On the railway platform, he notices that there are plastic bottles and garbage thrown here and there. He goes and informs to the station headquarters, but the station headquarters guy neglects his problem, telling him that this is not a big issue. He does not stop. He contacts a nearby NGO and tells them about the issue. They take up the issue, and he, along with members of the NGO, performs awareness campaigns in the nearby area and also on the railway platform. And then slowly people reduce throwing garbage on the railway platform. And he is happy being a part of a change. Thank you.
Good afternoon, friends. From the picture I can perceive that there is a female character. Her age is 24 and she is in her final year of MTech. While traveling from Bangalore to Chennai, on the way she saw that a train has been off the track because of a crack in the railway. So after returning to her college, she planned to take up the action on it and plans a project with her teammates and work upon it. After which her final year projects come out as a machine which can detect to 2 centimeter crack in railway tracks, and it also helps the railway departments in tackling all these incidents.
Friends, what do I perceive from the picture is there is a gentleman who is 22 years old and his mood is positive. Now my story goes like this. Arvind is a final year student who is pursuing civil engineering. He has to prepare a final year project, so he consulted one teacher from his department, and the teacher suggested him, why not you go through some practical project which is really going to work on the ground. So he think of, since he belongs from a village who always suffer from drought, so he was thinking of making some dam so that his village could able to overcome that problem. And so he worked on this and submitted his project in the college as well as to the irrigation department of his district. And his project has been selected in that, and a dam has been constructed in that village. And the village was overcome with the drought problem, and villagers become very prosperous. And seeing this, Arvind has been called by the BDO of the district from his block, and they were awarded and make awareness and also give a message to the new budding engineers to be a part of the development for the village. Thank you.
Friends, what I have been pursued from the picture is there is one male character and few people, and My hero is in a positive mood and his name is Raghav. Raghav has recently completed his graduation and for a vacation he planned it to a city, Bangalore, and all the family members went for in a Wonderla. There they sit on a roller coaster, and after a roller coaster has been started, after some time Raghav has observed that there is a track deviated from its original position. Then he suddenly informs the controllers that there is a breakdown of there is a deviation of track and it must be stopped. After his informing, the controllers stopped the roller coaster and nearly 40 to 50 people were saved and they thanked him. Thank you.
Friend, all of us see that most of us just see that a young boy who was just on the railway station and who was missing and who was just watching the.
You are all very keen, I understand that. After 36 will form into one group, we will speak first and then we continue from where they were. Okay?
So the theme of the story is focus. Let's go step by step. How many characters did we see? Majority of us agree on one character who is around 24 years old.
Yes. Yeah. And he's working for a social cause, like. And he's standing
Number 8, majority of us agree on a single character. Agree on a single
Let us make
We all see a real character and one character. Now let's move forward. The story we all perceive a character who is behind with the social project. The child after engineering.
Yes, I agree with the waste management should be stopped in such a manner that.
So definitely our theme is based on this. Cannot
How the story starts.
Nobody is able to understand anything.
So we'll go step by step for this. We'll go step by step for this. So the child, the man is 24 years old and he has completed his engineering or not? And looking for some project.
Waste to generate electricity. We can take this idea. I want to add a point that if we will construct the railways using solar panels, so that most electricity can be reduced.
So the point is, we are using the waste materials, we are not getting the electricity. We are using the waste materials.
This group.
Bio-toilets, we have to keep bio-toilets, no?
No, but no, it can be anything which is in the favor of the society. It can be anything related to the electricity.
Problem of garbage. And not only we will construct on the railway station, we will go far from all around the railway station.
I think
cleanliness of the railway station. They have to keep some missions to clean the railway station. We have to keep dustbins in the railway station to.
Dustbins are there.
Since we have NGO with us, so we can go apart from the railway station as well. We are not.
And also awareness.
Yeah,
Have to
so
be awareness.
we will collect the garbage from the
have to
all
create a
around the
story.
village and
So
we
what
will
we do
produce
is, the guy, our hero, he collects all the garbage, like he has.
I need the help of NGO.
And sends all the garbage to a electric
And
house.
the segregate this.
I think so. You should make a project.
And segregate this. What is what is used for the electricity and
Yeah,
what
he
not
does the
to be.
segregating part.
With the help of NGO, make the awareness in the nearby village. as well.
So friends, we the project is based on using those waste and
Also,
We can use
we will
fishes
also
also.
produce the
We
minor. Apart from electricity, we will also whenever we are separating the garbage, we will
definitely that work will be done by the NGO. Work will be done by NGO. We are just helping in the
I would like to add another point. We can produce minor, which will be minor, which produces from the organic waste. Which can be
Time is up. Now it's time. One of you selected by the group can give out the group consensus.
Test number 29. If everyone agrees. Test number 29.
Okay. Thank you, friends, for giving me the opportunity. So our story goes in such a way that
Go back.
24 year.
Now thank them for giving the opportunity.
Thank you, friends, for giving me this opportunity. And the story goes in such a way. The group has decided that the main character is of age 24 years old and completed his engineering project. He is visiting a railway station and he notices that there is waste all around. So he contacts a NGO and collects all the waste and convert it into the electricity plant. So the project is all based on the converting the waste into the electricity and spreading awareness all around. Thank you.
Okay.
Only 33, 36, just make way.
Just make
And
way
people-
for us. Okay, gentlemen, the results for you. Number 3. Expression is fine. Eye contact was there, scanning was there. They take part in the discussion. Issues which are brought out, waste management, electricity, and okay. We have no problem in giving you right and it's clear. Number 6. You tried your best, you need to, the shorter words, there are gaps in your talk, you need to improve that. That flow has to be improved. And that gap should be regulated. So you must build up that. 8 is okay, no problem. Your expression is fine. The reason what you gave out was okay. The social cause was okay. You didn't take part in the discussion. There's no hesitation between why and if you are right. Number 8, you're little mild, soft. You need to come out. With gaps in your talk. Right? Although the point was okay, but nothing came out ultimately. Initially you started off well, and then you kept quiet. So that will not do. You've got to be a little bold, little more assertive, come forward and do the point. 16, okay, expression is fine. Eye contact was okay. Your project is cost effective work. There was little gaps were there in your talk initially when you started, and then you built up. The discussion was okay, waste management, electricity conversion, other things were okay. You're moving your body a little bit here and there. You must control your body. Keep it straight. Okay? Otherwise, we have no problems. No vice versa. 23. 23. Okay. Construction, quick construction, other things, your point was taken. Expression is moderate. But impact creation. You need to create impact. Whenever you tell something, the people should feel convinced that what point you're giving out is quite well. Okay. That was not there. Notwithstanding your performance, you got the potential, we give you 2 hours. 28. Little mild again, soft, short, you cut down 1 or 2 sentences and then you finish. That will not do. Not even the participation discussion, you didn't take part much. You need to take part in this. That's why we tell you. 29, no problem. You're quite confident. Toilet, garbage, issues which you've taken up, biotech and other things you told, and even group consensus you brought into. You could have expanded a little more for the group consensus. That could have been brought out to you once. Okay? Happy. 33?
Yes, sir.
Not bad, but not good enough to cross the hump. One assessor gave Y, another one D. But you need to pull up a little bit more. Generally, railway tracks, cracks will not be there. Everybody is talking of crack of the railway tracks. Very rare. You should take something which is, as a layman, should be able to solve those things instead of a technical person. Right? But notwithstanding your performance, you did try out, but much better than what I expected out of you. But it was better. And you got 1 Y and 1 E. 36. You got the potential, but you didn't come out. You wanted to say that nobody is hearing talk, and I want to say something that will not take you anywhere. I know you got a potential, you got the language, you can speak, but it was not effective. If you keep on talking like this, I want to tell regulating, moderating, that the time will end. You will not be able to project yourself. Notwithstanding, you got the potential, we thought we'll give you a chance, and then we just pushed you to yes. 38. No problem. Your expression is okay, confident, eye scanning was okay. We did take up water and other things nearby.